Okay, so we have a situation. We were driving down and then we came up on this. I mean, it's a good opportunity right now to actually use Nick's winch. All right, Nick, what do you think the odds are of this actually working?
I'll probably more likely to rip my bumper off than anything.
Okay, instead of me being the jerk with a video camera and just watching them do all the work, I'm actually gonna set this up and actually help a little bit. All right.
Get all, but just put it in reverse.
Just hard landing.
Go!
Look at that red stick, Nick.
Go, go, go! There you go. Right there, right there.
Success.